Hello friends, welcome back to CP Editorials. How are you? Hope that you have enjoyed Codeforces around 815. Uh, I have discussed problem A and problem B. These are excellent problems, so that's why I have discussed problem A as well. So hope that you have enjoyed the contest. So in this video, I am going to discuss problem C, right? So before moving to problem C, I would like to move to a sponsorship part. So this video is sponsored by Nutanix School, whose link is given in the description box. You can visit it. They provide you pay after placement course. It is full stack development course, and they will guarantee you 5 to 40 LPA guaranteed placement. So as you can know, you have known that layoff or this thing is going on, hiring freeze. So I hope that you get benefit from this course. So now I will move to our problem. I hope the screen is visible. Or so now I will move to our problem. So there is a grid given, right? Binary grid. Binary means only 1 0 will be present, 1 and 0 will be present, but take input as character. Why character? Because in input you see there is no gap, 1 0 1 here. So if there is no gap, you consider it as a string and take in input as character. If there is gap given, then you can take it as an integers value, right? So I hope that you know that. If you are beginner, then this might help. So now moving to our question, there is grid given consists of binary numbers 1 and 0. So let's say, and in one move you can consider any else step. So what are else step? So this can be one else step. Can you give me another else step? This is another L, right? Another one. This is another else step, and similar for vice versa. So you can take any orientation, any orientation. You have to tell maximum number of moves so that grid contain at least one. If all become 0, then you have to stop and you have to tell maximum number of moves. In one move, what are you doing? You are taking this else value and making all of the element as 0. So let's say there is else having all 0. Then can you make move? No. You have to convert at least 1 into 0, right? So to maximize number of moves, what we will do? We will look for such L where you have got 1 right? So in one move, let's say there are 2 0 and 1. So here what are you doing? In one move you are converting only 1 into 0, right? So this will be the best move. This is best possible move because you are exhausting only 1. Let's say there is another L and there are 2 1s. Then here in one move you are exhausting 2 1s. 2 1s. So in each move we want to, what we will want to minimize exhaustion of 1, right? So we'll consider such L which has 2 0 and 1 1s. So let's say in our grid there is either this orientation or let's say this orientation or this orientation or this orientation, right? Consider there are two zeros. There are two zero and these are consecutive zero in this direction, right? Moving in this direction, you are getting zero. Then you can make as many L as possible. How? Consider these two with this. So this will become zero. Now these two will upper one. Then you can make it zero. These two with upper one, this at zero. These two with this one, zero. Then these two and this one will make zero. So let's say you have, then here you can see these two, there is, let's say there is one, so you can consider this as well, right? So if there are two ones, two consecutive ones present in any orientation, then you will always find such L in which there will be at least two zeros, right? Because let's say there are 1 0 0, let's say consider at 1 0, just like so you will find this. Now this will become 0. Now there is 1, so this will make it this 2 0 and this one, right? So if two consecutive ones present in any orientation, then number of moves, maximum number of moves will be number of ones present. How I can say? Because I can always find such L either from the initial array or after making, let's say consider this was our L. So let's say there is one, there are one, and here it is one. So let's say I've changed it to 0. Then after this I will get this type of orientation. So I will always be this type of orientations, right? So number of ones present will be our answer. Now consider there are no consecutive 0. So let's say there is a 0, then it will be surrounded by 1 in all direction, right? And we have to forcefully take such L having two ones, right? It is better to take two ones and exhaust than taking all three ones, right? So here what we will do, we'll make it 1 0 1 1 0 1, sorry, 1 0 0 1 1 1, right? In one move I have made this, right? Now you can see there are consecutive zeros, right? So how many ones I have exhausted here? Two ones I have exhausted in one move, right? And after on I will exhaust one once in each move, one once in each move. So let's say here x number of ones present. So here x minus 2 ones will be present. So here I will get maximum x minus 2 moves, and here I will get one move, right? So total x minus 1 moves, right? This will be maximum number of moves where x is number of ones. Now if there is 1 then I have, what we have got, there is there is at least 1 0, then we will get such type of value. And if we know that we can make it 2 0, then maximum number of moves is equal to number of ones present, right? So let's say there was no zero present, then in one move what you will do, in one move will exhaust three ones exhausted, and after that we have got consecutive 0. So here then we will get x minus 3 number of ones, sorry, x minus 3 number of ones in next step. Here will be x minus 3 ones. So number of moves will be x minus 3, and from here I will get one move. So total number of moves will be x minus 2 number of moves. So we have got three cases. Case 1, 2 consecutive, 1 consecutive in any orientation. How you will check? Let's say 0 in this direction, this direction, this direction. You have find any 0, then you will check all these direction. This will give you one solution, right? Let's say I will come back to this one, right? Let's say only or no consecutive 1, sorry, no consecutive 0, but 0 is present. Then what you have got? X minus 1. This was the x minus 1 number of moves, and no 0 present, that is all are ones. Then this is x minus 2. Now let's say we are checking in all 8 direction, right? But if you check only 4 direction, then this will sufficient. This will be sufficient. But consider either these 4. So consider only one side of the line. Let's say this is the line. So from the origin, consider either this side or this side. Because if you are checking this is 0, this is 0 in this direction, then you must get this 0. You will meet at this 0 and you will check in this direction, right? So this will be sufficient if you are checking only this direction, or so you can take this is the line. So you can check, you can take anyone. So let's say take this, then you can take this, you can take this, and from here anyone you can take and take this. So this 4 direction will be sufficient, because if we are checking for this 0, this direction, then for this 0 we are checking for, we'll find this 0. So this will be sufficient, right? So I hope that you have understood the solution. So if you have understood the solution, please implement on your own. It is very simple problem. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get further videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you. Bye bye.